time it is. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have a video sponsored by Unice, and I have this wig here, and it came with these goodies. I'm pretty sure there's more goodies in the box, but you get the satin bag, the wig. This is a robe. You know how I feel about these robes, Unice. Y'all need to make them in a larger size. And here's the bonnet, okay? So I'm gonna set this stuff to the side, and we're gonna get right into the actual wig. So of course you have your red Unice box, and it is magnetic. Okay, I got it open. So this is a kinky straight or a yaki straight wig. I'll give you the specific texture in a moment, but it's highlighted, which is bomb. So this is a 13 by 4 transparent lace unit, of course, kinky straight. You see that KS? That means kinky straight, and it's 24 inches. So we're gonna go into that in a second, but these are all the goodies that it came with. All right, so you get your wig cap, some eyelashes, that's a brush right there, a wig band. These come in handy. What are these? Oh, these are earrings. Okay, so I received some earrings, another band, another wig cap, and what is this? I think it might be jewelry. It is jewelry. A Unice chain. Okay, I see y'all. That's a Unice chain, and it comes with a jewelry box. So let's crack this wig open, and so we can. Okay, so I pulled her out the bag. She still have the net on, as you can see, but she was packaged very, very well. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off. They put styrofoam in there so the wig could keep its shape, and I actually really appreciate that because it also helps protect the wig, and some paper. So this wig does come with combs and adjustable straps, also with an elastic band. It has 3 combs. Is it pre-plucked? Let's see. It's slightly pre-plucked, so I'm probably gonna have to go in. This is a partial frontal, so you can see like where it tapers off at the side right there. It's definitely a partial frontal. Do I need to bleach these knots? Not necessarily, because this is a lighter brown and I'm darker skinned, so it'll do good on my skin tone. But I am gonna wash this wig. I'm not gonna show you guys me doing that. See me wash hundreds of wigs on this channel. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it, I'm gonna have it dried, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do a little bit of plucking. And I'm gonna just throw some wand curls in here because I feel like this texture would give good wand curl vibes, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. Okay, so the wig is dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and mold the hairline back. So I'm gonna use my wax stick and a pressing comb, and I'm just gonna press all the hair back. Yeah, so that's exactly what I'm doing here. So for the baby hairs, I didn't use my little small flat irons. I actually used the wand that I'm gonna use to curl this wig. It did the same thing. So I'm gonna just pull some baby hairs down, press it down so they could be molded going downwards. And yeah, then I'm gonna cut the baby hairs and then wand them and then mold them with my spritz. So this is what the wig looked like. This is the color of it. I just wanted to show you a color and the texture. It has so much texture in this wig, and the color is amazing. Oh my goodness. So let's go and jump into wanding it. So I took medium sections, and I left the wand on there for about like 15 seconds, and then I held it, and then I released it, and I got some decent wand curls. Now I honestly feel that I should have just ran a flat iron through this hair just to get a little bit of the texture out, because the final product you can still see a lot of texture, and there's nothing wrong with that. I just wanted it to be a little bit more smoother and a little bit more neater. Normally with this kind of texture, I would flat iron it, but honey, if you flat iron this is going to take you forever, okay? So this is supposed to give you blow dried. This is the look that it's supposed to give you, is blow dried. So I just wanted to keep it on the puffy side, but give it some va-va-voom, you feel me? So this is what she looks like after I wanded her, and I kind of finger combed the curls out a little bit. And this is what she looks like, so you guys could see her. Now the curls were sitting for a little bit when I was taking this, so probably a couple of hours, so they started to drop a little bit, but nevertheless it still looked good. And there go the hairline. I did not pluck this hairline. But yeah, let's go jump into the install. So I'm using Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 to put on my cap so it could blend in, and it blends with my skin color pretty well. I'm going to also put that makeup on the actual lace of the wig. And then I'm going to apply the wig on my head and adjust it. Now, I've had a lot of room with this wig, and normally I don't use the elastic bands that come with this, but I did use the elastic band with this one, and it fit perfectly. You can literally wear this one glueless, and when I mean glueless, with nothing, like no sprays, no glues, no gels, no got to be whatever, because the hold is really good. I'm a 22.5, so if you're at like a 23, even a 23.5, you could get away with wearing this. Smaller heads, will have to utilize the combs and the bands and the elastics and all of that comes in with this particular wig. But other than that, this is big head friendly. So I'm going to use my Eben because that's the only thing that I have to apply my wigs right now. I definitely need to go to the beauty supply. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to spray it, blow dry it until it gets tacky, lay my lace down and blow dry it until it all fully dries. Once the lace is dry, I'm going to go in with my razor and cut off the excessive lace and lay my baby hair with spritz. And to touch up the lace, I'm going to use the same makeup that I use for my stocking cap and my wig on top of the lace. I'm using a small brush so I won't go ham and put too much makeup on there. And I'm going to use my spritz. I'm going to spray some on the comb and like try to brush out the lines of demarcations of the wand curls to have them kind of blend in with each other. And that's basically it. This is definitely giving Beyonce color. Like, I love this. It was super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. And until next time, bye, best friends.